In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a theme header and footer in HubSpot's CMS. First, open HubSpot and head to your home dashboard. From here, look toward the main navigation and click Content. This is where all your website assets live. Next, choose Landing Pages, so you can work within a real page that uses your theme. Locate the landing page titled Lead Generation Strategy. Hover over the page. It should be easily selectable. After selecting your desired page, an option will appear allowing you to click Highlight. This option brings your page into focus, making it easier for you to access and modify specific sections. Open the page so you're in the editor, and give it a second to load the modules. Now, we're going to click Edit Header. Notice how the interface changes. That's because we're entering the global content editor. Any change you make here, whether it's the header or the footer, will automatically update across your entire website. It's a huge time saver. Now, let's swap out this placeholder. I'm just going to use a sample logo for this demonstration to show you how the replacement process works. When you click on the image, you'll see the Replace option in the sidebar. To lock these changes in across your entire site, just head to the top right and click Publish. A quick tip: use a web-optimized PNG or SVG for crisp results, add alt text for accessibility, and keep your navigation labels short and clear. Now, let's head down and click Edit Footer. Again, we're stepping back into the global content editor to make sure our branding is consistent from top to bottom. In this specific template, the footer uses an image instead of a text address. I'm going to click that image and, just like we did with the header, I'll hit Replace. It's a good idea to use a simplified version of your logo here, or even a brand icon. This keeps the bottom of your page looking professional without being too distracting. I'll select my sample image, and once it's in place, I'll check the alignment to make sure it looks balanced with the rest of the footer. Once that looks good, make sure to always hit Save, and then click Publish to make it official across your entire site. If you're editing links or legal text down here, keep them concise and make sure they're up to date. Finally, click on Preview to see how your page looks with the new changes. Once you're satisfied with the edits, don't forget to hit the Save and Publish buttons to apply them live. Clicking that Preview button is a great way to double-check everything before your audience sees it. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to edit your theme's header and footer in HubSpot. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more.